everyone, welcome to my channel and thank you for watching my videos. I hope we all are doing well and thank you for subscribing my channel. If you have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you will get the quick update of my new videos. Let's start today's video. Today's topic is place value to billions and how to write in words. Let's start. So our first example is 3, 2, 6, 9, 3, 5, 2, 3, 9, 1. Step 1. First we will put comma after every 3 digit from right hand side. 1, 2, 3. We will put comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. 1, 2, 3. That's it. Now, the first 3 digit is called ones period. This is, I will tell you in the last. And the second is thousands, and third is million, and last is billion. And all this is called periods. Now we will come again here. Place value. This is ones. This is tens. This is 100. This is the place value of this period. Now come to this period, 1000. Again we will write same thing. Ones, tens, and 100. And this is for this period, 1000. Now come for million. Again we will write same thing. Ones, tens, and 100. Again we will write for this period, billion. This is ones. Let's start writing in words. We will start from 3. So, sorry, in words. 3 billion. Now come to 2. First, the place value of 2 is 100. So we will write 200. Now come to place value of 6. This is tens, so we will write 69. 69. Here this period is over. Million period is over, so we will write million. Now come to 3. Here 1000 period started, so we will write first 3. Now the place value of 3 is 100. 300. Now come to 5. 5 place value is 10. So we will write 52. Here this 1000 period is over. So we will write 1000. Now come to this period. This is 3. So we will write 3. Place value of 3 is 100. 300. Now come to 9. So 9 place value is 10 and this is 1. So this is 91. And period is once. So this is only 91. Here is the solution. Let's see more example. So our next example is 4109781000. So step 1 is put comma after 3 digit from right side. Okay, so 1 2 3 comma 1 2 3 comma 1 2 3 comma. Now again this is ones period, this is 1000, this is million, and this is billion. So second step is step 2, divide in periods. Now place value ones, tens and 100. Similarly here ones, tens, 100. Similarly here ones, tens, 100. Similarly here ones. So this is only ones and this period is over here only. So we will write 4 billion. Next period is million and this is 1 and this is 100. So 100. Here is 0 and here is 9. So 9 million. This period is over here 9. So we will write 9 million. Now come to 7. Place value of 7 is 100. 700. Next is 8. Place value of 8 is tens and this is 1, so 81. 81 and this period over here 1000. So we will write 1000. Now this all is 0, so we no need to write anything. That's it. This is the solution. Let's see next example. So our next example is 9620000002. First step, put comma after 3 digit. Now divide in periods. This is ones, this is 1000, this is million, and this is billion. Now come to place value. This is ones, this is tens, and this is 100. Again this is ones, this is tens, and this is 100. Again this is ones, tens, and 100. Again this is ones, this is tens. Now come to write in words. First start with 9. So this is at tens place value. So this is 96. So 96. And this period over here. So we will write billion. Now come to 2. Place value of 2 is 100. So 2 100. This is 0, this is 0, and this period's over here. So we will write direct million. Now come to 1000. All are 0, so no need to write anything. Now come to ones. So 100 is also 0, tens is also 0. Come to 2. We will write directly 2. That's it. This is the answer. Let's see next example. So next example is 3 0 1 3 2 2 0 0 0 7 0 1. Step 1. Put comma after every 3 digit from right side. 1 2 3 comma 1 2 3 comma 1 2 3 comma. Now come to periods. Ones, thousands, million, billion. Come to place value. Ones, tens, 100. Same here, ones, tens, and 100. Same here, ones, tens, 100. Ones, tens, 100. Now start from 3. Place value of 3 is 100. Now come to 0. Now 1. So we will write 1. Place value of 1 is ones. This period ends here. So we will write billion. Three. Place value of 3 is 100. So 300. Now come to 2. Place value of 2 is tens. So this is 22. And this period over here, so this is million. Now this all is 0, no need to write anything. 7. Place value of 7 is 100. 700, 0, and this is 1. Place value of 1 is ones, so we will write 1. Here is the solution. 300, 1,322,701 is the answer. I hope you like the video and you understand the place value of billions. If you like the video, press the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you will get the quick update of my latest video. Thank you. Have a nice day.